guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, they have changed the lookout, and this is what a video that I never scripted, that I never planned, but Foxy just came out with an update. So the friend list is actually very different. If we click this eye, we see their current outfit, but it's glitching. Whatever, you know. Nothing has changed in settings, and here, look at collections and achievements. This is something very new. My language is on Spanish, and I thought this was trading, but this is all of the things. Wow, this is so cool. Oh wow. Okay, so they've changed the lookout again. So like, we never owned this type of horse. Wow, this is actually crazy. We can see them PF. What the heck? What the? Oh my gosh, guys, this is wow. What is it? Oh, it's a completely new animation. Wow. What's this? Okay. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh, so cute. Wow, oh my god, this. Now what is this? Oh my god, guys, we can see. Oh, we can see literal. I don't have.
It's a dream come true.
Okay, sorry, it's my sister. But by the way, this is wow. Oh wow, oh wow, wow. I was so wishing for Foxy to have this. They've been. Okay, I can't even say anything. It's just so cute. It's so cute. Oh my gosh.
The alpaca.
Okay, wait. We'll check that later. Oh my gosh, guys.
Alpaca.
Shut up.
Where's the alpaca?
Wait.
Was that a black? Was it a black alpaca?
Sorry, guys.
What's this?
Ooh, that's so.
OMG.
Oh my gosh. Okay. They've made it so cool. Okay, so this is something new. This is coming soon, and I'm very excited for this. Now we're gonna check the stables because there were new animation. I'm sorry, I can't speak. But we're just gonna go headward to the stables, and oh my gosh, this literally changed everything. Mantique Emerald, and we're gonna see. Okay, so the animation is a little thing. Club. I mean, it's a little changed. Oh, the CP thing is changed. The CP logo is changed. Yeah. Okay. I have nothing to speak.
Wait, were there new eye colors?
No. Okay. The pants. I don't really know, guys. I'm not checking properly.
Yes.
I'm right now going crazy. So you update and check it yourself. And you can. There's the name thing. What? What's? Oh. Okay. So these are like the bundled outfits. Okay. God. Jump. Wow, that's so cool! Wow, look at that go. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. I was pretty much in a hurry, and if you guys want, some of you guys might have the update. My sister does not have it yet, so it's only out for some devices, but I'm so happy I got it very first, and I can show you guys. There are things that I missed out. You can check them out yourself. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and turn notifications, and Candy Paw out.